All right, boys and girls, you're going to be molecules today. You're going to be water molecules, right? And water molecules have, oh, you're H2O. So you have one hydrogen, two hydrogen. Good. And I'm not going to ask you to, you don't have to the whole time keep your hydrogens on top of your oxygens because your arms might hurt, but you have to remember that you're water the entire time. Okay? I'm going to add heat to you, but I'll let you know. But when I do add heat to you, you're going to behave in the way that molecules of water would behave. Correct? All right? So you're going to probably do 3 different things, and I'm not going to remind you because we've been doing this a long time, ever since water cycle, right? So you're going to do 3 things, and I'm watching to see if you remember all the 3 things that you might do. All right. Now I'm going to radiate some heat to you. Go. Radiation. Electromagnetic waves. All right. Okay, I see a problem. But Camden, you noticed, and you did not do the same problem that people have done. Be careful of the computers. Good, I see people fixing the problem. Too many people are on the table. Too many people are on the green table. You look green table. You look like I'm taking heat away from you. Sebastian Lopez. Vibrate. Yes, I heard Landon say it. You're too close. You vibrate apart and not pumped up together. Good, much better. I see vibrating. I see molecules spreading apart from each other, and I see some of you rising up higher. Good. Molecules of water. Nice. Okay, I'm now radiating even more heat to you, so what will you do? The only thing is I don't think water molecules would probably scream. All right, and Mark, is that you on the floor? Like an earthquake. Be safe. Be safe. Okay. Do the earthquake. Keep in mind, however, that energy could be transferred. If you were water molecules, you could be transferred into other forms of energy. All right, ocean waves make sounds when they crash, so, all right, good. So we're going to pause for a second, and in a moment, I'm going to remove heat from you when I say to go, and when I say to go, you're going to I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'm going to remind you because you know very well what to do at this point. All right? And I'm taking heat away from you. Please be careful. I'm taking heat away from you. Okay, be safe. Be safe. Not safe behavior. Mark, not safe behavior. Mark, and other people. Please do not lay down. Sit up. I must speak to my molecules of water. Yay, the sun is Now, I will ask my molecules of water to find seats, so do sit. Now, here's the one thing about this. I just heard JT say it's hot. Keep in mind, would you actually be hot right now if you were water molecules? No. Right. Remember, because you are people acting this out, you're going to feel warmer because you're close together, generating heat to each other. So keep in mind that water would not be hot. We took heat away from you. Now, I've taken heat away from you to right now you are 33 degrees Fahrenheit. Carly, look this way, please. And I asked you two to sit. Can you find a place to sit? If you can't, well, you can because you're blocking someone's view. Move somewhere else to where you're not. Yeah. All right. Listen carefully. Water.
Water.
But remember, all matter is behaving the same way. Except for water right now. Well, you know, even water would behave the same way up till this point. You guys are 33 degrees Fahrenheit, so you're very cold. And I'm going to remove a little bit more heat in just a second. Right? And when I remove 1 more degree of Fahrenheit heat, right? You're going to behave in a very special way because you're water. And remember, if you were gold, if you were silver, if you were hydrogen or helium or nitrogen, you would not behave in this way at this temperature. Could you stop moving around? Jaden, could you pay attention? All right, I'm going to stop talking and you're going to show me what water will do at 32 degrees. Why is 32 special?
It's the freezing
Freezing.
point.
Okay, good. And what about Celsius? The freezing point Celsius? Zero. Okay. I'm removing just a tiny bit more heat from you. Show what water will do at the freezing point. Don't go too far. Only a little bit. Right. Stop. Too far. Too far. Why is it too far? If I had 10 cups of water, how much would it be if we froze it?
11.
Oh, say it louder. 11. Only 10% of water. It would expand 10%. So you're not going to step but a step away. And you know that, Camden. You know. All right. Put your name on the board. Thank
He already
you.
has it.
And then put a check. Okay, we're videotaping and you're going to start an argument right now. Seriously. Thank you very much. You did a nice job. A little too silly, but otherwise a nice job. I think the teachers watching will be able to appreciate what you're trying to accomplish here. All right, you may return to your seats. You may grab